you ready to learn with me? Let's start. Today we are going to learn animals ABC. Are you ready? Here we go. A, alligator. It says alligator. What's next? That's B. Bear. 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 Wow. Next. Cat. Meow. Meow. Cat. C. Cat. Cat. What's next? Dog. Wow. Dog. Woof woof. Woof woof. Dog. Dog. Elephant. 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 Flamingo. That's so cute. Flamingo. 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 Goat. 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 Horse. 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 Iguana. 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 I says iguana. Jaguar. Jaguar. J says Jaguar. Jaguar. Kangaroo. 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 What's next? It's a lion. 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 Monkey. It's a monkey. M says monkey. Monkey. Newt. What says Newt? And is the sound of N. N says Newt. Newt. What's that? Owl. It's an owl. O says owl. What's next? It's a penguin. Penguin. P says penguin. What's that? It's a cute bird. Quail. Q says quail. It's a quail. Rabbit. I like to hop just like is for snake. S says snake. Next is turtle. A turtle. T says turtle. Turtle. T is for turtle. Unicorn. U says up. Unicorn. Unicorn. Vulture. Vulture. V says vulture. Vulture. The next is a huge mammal, and that's a whale. W says whale. Whale. Next, yes, it's an X-ray fish. X says X-ray fish. Yak. A yak. Y says yak.